Good afternoon, Western Praise Cactus students. This is your lesson for today, which is 420, day number 3 for social studies. So today you will start in your social studies Canvas class. Which again, yours should look just like this. Okay, we have gone through all of this fun stuff yesterday. And today we're going to start right up here in modules. I had a great time looking at your Meet Me documents that you sent me yesterday. Those I'm almost most of the way done teaching or reviewing those. So be on the lookout. You'll get those back. You'll also get a grade in PowerSchool that will pop up as well. So today we are moving down to an introduction to social studies, which is this tab right here. You will click on that. I'll come up with a little introduction. Today is we're going to do the introduction to social studies, and what we will do is we will study ancient civilizations, and the parts of the ancient civilizations that we'll be paying attention to is the history of the ancient civilization, how the civilization came to be. What was the rise and the fall of the civilization? We will also be studying the geography of certain civilizations, how where a civilization is located plays a major role in the success of that civilization. The economics, how things are, how needs and wants are attained in these ancient civilizations. And it deals with the economy of an ancient civilization. The civics and government of an ancient civilization, how the civilization is ruled, how ancient Greece is ruled, how ancient India is ruled, how Mesopotamia is ruled, are definitely a lot different than how we are ruled today, which is through a democracy. And also the culture of a civilization that we'll talk about. You'll learn about religions of certain civilizations, holidays and things that they celebrate, things they like to do. So when you are done looking at that, you need to make sure to click next. So let me move me up to the top here. Perfect. Do next. This is going to be an assignment that you're going to do. And there's a couple parts to this, so I need you to make sure you're listening very closely. First, you will actually look through this slide presentation. Some of it is kind of wordy, so I don't want you to be concerned. Of course, and now it's not going to work because that would just be too perfect. Just so you know you didn't miss anything, because it kind of glitched sometime in class too, so you didn't miss too much. Okay, so for this is again a slide, it's not a movie, so we're just going to go through the slides. I would suggest using the next button so you would have time to read each of the slides. It will tell you what is social studies, okay? And this slide talks about social sciences, and that social studies is a study of social sciences. And then we talk again about those 5 strands, those 5 ways that we're going to be able to study our ancient civilizations. The history talks about the rise and fall of civilizations, studying a civilization's history. Geography, again, where it is located can certainly affect the success of a civilization. The civics and government. This is, again, how the civilization is ruled. Economics, the study of production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services, how you get the things you need, and how you make money on getting rid of the things that you have that you don't need. And then again, the culture. Okay. So this slideshow is up here, so you can refer back to it if you need to. The next thing you are going to do, still in this one page, is you will click on this link right here. It will bring up what is down here, but there is a video that goes along with this. This is called What is Social Studies? Okay, you will have this up on the screen, this sheet, but you also want to click on What is Social Studies? So you will watch this little 4-minute video and you will be able to answer these questions. And how you do that is you just click right on the page itself and answer your questions. Now someone said, but the line, it's not all lined up. You can delete the line, make it shorter, whatever you need to do. So you will find the answers to these 4 questions in this video. What is social studies? Literally, it's a slide and it says to better understand. And you just fill in the words after that on this sheet. Okay. After watching that video and filling this in, I want you to remember back to the slide presentation that I showed you. It says, after reviewing the notes on the 5 strands of social studies, what words or phrases come to mind when you think of each strand? Brainstorm words and phrases that go along with each below. I filled in 2 of them. For history, really, it means where the civilization came from and how it began and how it succeeded. The geography is what the land looks like. Okay, so you're going to go back to that slide show at the front there at the top of the assignment, and you'll be able to fill in just a word or phrase as to what these things mean. Okay, when you are done that, you will submit it. You will not share, you will submit it, and then I will get access to it. Okay, then so that is what you're going to do on this activity. When you're done, you will go to the bottom and click next. This is not where yours will be next. Yours will come to a page called Economics Passage. What you are going to do here is you will read this passage and answer the questions. So here's the passage, and you'll click on that link that will allow you to share it with me or submit it for me. Okay, so you'll simply read this front page, and the questions are on page 2. In order to answer the questions, all you need to do is click in there and start typing your answer, and then you will be able to submit it. So I hope that all makes sense to you. Those are due tomorrow at the beginning of class time. So unfortunately, if you miss class, you'll have to do it this evening. We had time to work on it in class. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thank you.